In today's video, we're gonna do another challenge. That's right. And it's gonna be a 100K challenge. Now, our previous challenge was a 10K challenge. And thank you so much because so many of you guys actually shared your success stories. And there was one in particular, two sisters did it, and both of them manifested 10K. So now this challenge is a 100K challenge. Are you ready? Because I am. Do you know what I love about challenges? Is because I get to interact with you. You don't just watch another YouTube video, but you actually doing it with me. So you have no excuse. You're doing it with me and we're making it fun as well. Because it's very important for you to understand. Money is just a tool. Money is just a tool. Money simply responds to you. So if you feel separate from money, then basically you pushing money away. If you feel stressed, worried, anxious towards money, you pushing money away. If you feel like you're struggling and you're in lack and you're trying and you're desperate for money, you pushing money away. Money is simply responding to you. You see, money is just a tool. Money is like a shovel, right? Now you know that a shovel is just a tool. Now a shovel also responds to you. So if you feel stressed, worried, or desperate towards the shovel, you pushing the shovel away. If you feel like separate towards the shovel or not worthy or deserving, you pushing the shovel away. The shovel is just a tool. Money is also just a tool. So you have to ask yourself, what is your relationship with money? Do you see money as separate? Do you feel stressed, worried, desperate? Are you chasing money? Because money is already within you, because money is energy. And the same energy that is in you is in money. So which means you are already one with money. You are not separate. The only reason why you're experiencing separation is because you thinking that you are separate. So in your mind, you are telling yourself that you are separate from money, but you are not. That's just an illusion. You're not separate from money because there's one energy. Everything that you see, this hat, this sweater, my body, this board, this marker, the phone, the air that we breathe, our cars, pets, family, partners, they're all energy. But notice it's one energy. So which means we are one energy, but we're having a unique human experience. So we are energetic beings, but we have a unique human experience. So that one energy, we all share the same energy. So the money is already within you. You're not separate from money. Now, if you want to experience more freedom, more security, more safety, and you want to experience the abundance, all you need to do is just shift your frequency to the frequency of money. Because if you are struggling at the moment, you are in lack, it means that you are on the wrong frequency. You need to shift your frequency. You see, if you are struggling, you are here. Now money's frequency is there. Now when it comes to attracting and manifesting money, it does not take time. It takes alignment. All you need to do is just align to the frequency of money. You just have to align. And how do you align? By changing your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions, and what you're telling yourself. Now my question to you is, what have you been telling yourself yesterday regarding money? Were you telling yourself that you're not separate? Were you telling yourself that you're separate? Were you telling yourself that you're struggling? Were you telling yourself that you feel desperate? What were you telling yourself regarding money? I want you to take a moment. Go back to yesterday. Scan your day yesterday. Now, what were you telling yourself regarding money yesterday? Because that will tell you where your frequency is. So, if you are struggling, you're in lack, you're stuck, you're there. Now, financial freedom, security, wealth is there. Your job is just to shift yourself to the frequency of money. In other words, you just need to shift your frequency. What is your frequency? It's your thoughts, your feelings, your actions, and what you are saying to yourself. What are you saying to yourself? That's all. When you do that, you're aligned. It doesn't take time, it takes alignment. It does not take time, it takes alignment. That's right. So now, are you ready for the challenge? Awesome stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're a business owner or entrepreneur and you would like to double or triple your income, I have a 5-day challenge for you. 5-day challenge where I'll be working with you one-on-one for free. And we're going to work on shifting your frequency from lack to abundance. We're going to tackle procrastination, imposter syndrome, money blocks, limiting beliefs, and shifting you from lack to abundance. Go to the description, but this is only for entrepreneurs and business owners. Go to the description and you can apply for the 5-day free challenge with me, one-on-one, just me and you, right? Okay, let's get to the challenge. So today's challenge is simple. You have to understand, when it comes to manifestation, all that is required from you is just to decide. Your job is just to decide what you want. And once you've decided what you want, you just have to now assume that you are it. So in other words, we are going to decide that we already have 100K in our bank account. So all you're going to tell yourself is that I already have 100K in my bank account. And how you're going to do that is by saying, I have 100K in my bank account. I have 100K in my bank account. I have 100K in my bank account. Because if you had to have 100K in your bank account, what will you tell your friend? What will you tell your partner, your family member? I have 100K in my bank account. So we're going to keep it simple. We're not going to overcomplicate it. We're not going to put a lot of affirmations there. Let's just keep it simple. And the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid, right? Okay, KISS principle. So all we're going to, I want you to repeat after me. So we're going to do this for 5 minutes. So I'm going to do it with you for 5 minutes so that you do not have an excuse. So all I want you to do is just repeat after me. I have 100,000. Obviously you put your currency, right? I have $100,000 in my bank account. There we go. Okay, so repeat after me. I have $100,000 in my bank account. So we're going to repeat it over and over and over and over again for 5 minutes, right? I have $100,000 in my bank account. You can even write with me as well. I have $100,000. I have $100,000. Yeah, I have $100,000 in my bank account. Just repeat over and over. I have $100,000 in my bank account. 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 So repeat after me, or you can also write with me as well. I have $100,000 in my bank account. 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 I have $100,000. You're doing amazing, by the way. I have $100,000 in my bank account. I have $100,000 in my bank account. I have $100,000 in my bank account. I want you to see the $100,000 in your bank account. See it. I have $100,000 in my bank account. 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 You're doing amazing. I have $100,000. I have $100,000 in my bank account. I have $100,000. I have $10,000. Yeah, I have $100,000 in my bank account. 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 Okay, you're doing amazing. You're doing absolutely amazing. So what I want you to do is come back to this video every day. We're going to do this for 21 days, right? So you're going to do this for 21 days. So you can do minimum 5 minutes, and you can go up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So minimum 5 minutes. You can do it once a day or multiple times a day, right? Okay. So now, just to recap, I want you to come back to this video and I want you to comment your success stories, and also I have $100,000 in my bank account. Now, the reason why you comment is because you are declaring to yourself and to the universe that 100K is now your norm, right? So I want you to come back to this video, comment every day for 21 days, and then for minimum 5 minutes, you're going to repeat with me, I have $100,000 in my bank account. I have $100,000 in my bank account. I have $100,000 in my bank account. Okay, now let us explain what are the science. So let's not make woo out of this. What are the science behind this? Okay, according to neuroscience. So the moment you focus on anything and you repeat it over and over again, you are activating neuroplasticity. Now, what is neuroplasticity? It's your brain's ability to rewire itself. Now, get this. You are actually rewiring your brain right now, and you're telling your brain that you now have $100,000 in your bank account. Now, your brain and your body does not know the difference. It actually believes you. It thinks that, oh, Gabriel does have $100,000 in your bank account. Now, the moment your brain is rewired, then your 3D, your outside world, now reflects your internal world, which is your brain, your mindset. So your job is just to do this every single day for minimum 21 days, right? And don't miss a day. But if you do miss a day, just come back. Minimum 21 days, right? So according to neuroscience. And furthermore, when you write down and say something, repeat it, and you're very clear and you focus on 100K, you're also activating your RAS. Your RAS is your reticular activation system. It's your brain's filter. So your brain is now filtering in 100K, and it says, okay, Gabriel is now focused on 100K. So your brain is now filtering out everything else. So if you were focusing on $100, your brain is now filtering out that, and it's only focusing on 100K. So now your brain is now going to show you opportunities, signs, and evidences related to 100K. That's where you now get your manifestation, right? So now that you know the science behind it, at least you now know why you should do it, right? So as I say, all you need to do is just come back to the video. Let us do it together. So we are doing it together, right? Now, why am I doing this? Well, if I help you to manifest 100K, I help myself, because you and I, we are one energy. So if I make you smile, I make myself smile. If I make you cry, I make myself cry. We are one energy. Whatever I do unto you, I do unto myself. So it's in my best interest to ensure that you succeed, right? So because if you succeed, I succeed. That's why I'm doing these challenges. Because whenever someone shares success stories, guess what? I also win. And then something happens, because the universe pays me. Spirit pays me. God pays me. That is basically my boss, right? Now, God, universe, spirit lives in me and around me. It's not an old man with a long beard up in the clouds. No. I'm not talking about that. That's religion, right? Got nothing against religion. I'm talking about spirit, consciousness, awareness, right? It is within us and around us. We are not separate from God. We're not separate from the universe. We're not separate from the all that is, all that was, or all that ever will be. We are one with it, right? And so basically that power pays me. So source pays me. So my job on this planet is to ensure that I guide you, so I guide myself. I make you smile, so I make myself a smile. I guide you to make 100K, I make 100K. Guide you to make 1,000,000, I make 1,000,000. So that's why I love this, right? You with me? Okay, cool. So let us quickly recap. So you're going to repeat with me, I have 100K in my bank account. I have 100K in my bank account. I have 100K in my bank account. Minimum 5 minutes, minimum once a day, right? And you're going to comment below every day for 21 days. I have 100K in my bank account. I have 100K in my bank account. I have 100K in my bank account. And then furthermore, share this video with someone, maybe a close friend, family member, because if you're going to share it with them, guess what? Remember, whatever you do unto anyone else, whether that's a friend, family member, partner, you're doing it unto yourself. So if you share this video to them and they make 100K, guess what? You will be making 100K. That's just how the universe works. What you give, you get. So make sure you share this as well. And then furthermore, don't forget to share your success stories, with me as well, right? I do appreciate you. Thank you so much for always being part of these challenges. I really love them. Thank you for your success stories, your feedback and all that. And just a quick reminder, if you're an entrepreneur or business owner and you would like to double or triple your income, you can sign up for my 5-day free one-on-one challenge where I'll be working with you 5 days for free. Find all the details below. Having said that, keep smiling and I'll catch you later.